Hey guys, it's Ryan with Fluid Health and Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to do a stimulation of the hamstrings. Just remember the hamstrings are on the back side of the body. They have a tendency to be hypertonic or over-tensioned. They're a power muscle. They're not supposed to be as much of a stabilizer, so oftentimes they don't get enough blood flow because they're always under tension. So we're going to try to inject some blood flow with this gun. We're going to use a higher percussion speed, so you're going to be in the upper levels. And this is a stimulation technique, so we're going to be using more pressure, more torque, faster strokes, and then again, making sure that we don't isolate the connective tissue to inhibit. That's the goal. We're not shutting something off or turning something on. And remember, there's 4 heads to the hamstring, 2 on the lateral side, 2 on the medial side. They split and they kind of wrap around the tib and the fib. And then again, they contract to pull the knee back. So what we're going to do is lay on our left side. I'm going to show you from behind here. So I'm going to talk away from the camera. Hopefully you guys can make sense of what I'm saying here. So again, I'm just going to feel the tendons behind the crease of the knee, the lateral tendons, the lateral hamstring heads. Short head attaches to the femur, long attaches at the ischium. 2 of the medials over here, they attach over at the, it's called the pes, or again the tibia, and they wrap around and then come up, membranosus tendinosus, up to the sit bone again. So once again, I'm going to just isolate the laterals to start. I start at the tendon attachment, and 1 inch per second I drag to the sit bone. So make sure you know where the attachment points are. That's the insertion, that's the origin, and I move the gun faster than the pain signal. So 1 inch per second, I'm going a little bit faster than that, and I'm pushing down and dragging up, releasing the pressure and starting over. Now as I do that, I'm looking for sensitive spots or trigger points. If I find one, I'm going to isolate it and cross fiber it, not sit on it, but cross fiber it about 10-15 seconds until it calms down. Again, more blood flow, it won't be so sensitive. Feel the stretch tension, not pain. And then go back in and then stroke through. So again, I did about 6 exploratory strokes. I isolated the trigger point for about 10 seconds, then I go back. Now I'm going to stream it and stretch it together. So again, I'm provoking the muscle and stretching it. Going to make the muscle tense, and then I'm going to stretch through the tension. It's going to help creating little microtraumas and blood flow, nitric oxide, circulation to the area. I do that for another 10-15 reps. Real easy, simple application. When you're done, you should feel quite a bit better. Range of motion will improve. Knee tracking will improve. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, questions on any of it, admin at fluidhealthfitness.com. All said and done, should take you maybe a minute, not a lot of time. So don't overthink it. Could you do both sides of the hamstrings? Absolutely. It also falls into almost like a nerve flossing. So sometimes you get proteins that stick these nerves onto the muscles. That helps to break it down, open up and stretch those muscles out against the nerve tension. So it's going to help with lower back pain too. So awesome stuff. Again, admin at Fluid Health if you have questions.